Hey everyone, today we're going to be making the most healthy and delicious smoothies ever. We got bananas, we got apples, and we have the smoothie maker. And we got ice cubes. Brr! Oh, yeah, this is going to be fantastic. I love bananas, I love apples, and I love health. It's amazing. So first thing we're going to do... Oh, hey, Derek.
Did you leave those bananas everywhere?
Which?
The bananas.
These bananas?
Yes. These bananas. Did you leave them everywhere again? I told you about the bananas. What do you think? Oh, recording one of your fun videos, huh?
Come on, Derek.
Shut up. Look at this. He leaves his bananas everywhere all the time, and I'm sick of it. I'm tripping them over them. I'm gonna teach him a lesson. Listen. Where'd he go? Help me find him. Kill him. Kill. Bananas. I can't believe he did this. Wow. It makes me sick. Amazing. I can't believe this. And then he runs off like that. It makes me want to puke.
Whoa.
At
least they're not apples.
I just can't I gotta clean them up for him. Every time. Do you know how that feels?
Feels...
It makes...
You're such a nag. Nobody tells him. Nobody tells anyone. These are my nanas.
Gosh, he's snapped.
These are my nanas. These are my nanas.
I'm gonna kill him.
Oh, my nanas.
I'm gonna leave you for this.
Oh, my nanas. My nanas. Nanas.
Okay, we gotta stop